Hello everyone, this is Colin Sweeney with Sweeney Engineering, and today I'm going to show you our new GoPro lens removal tool. Basically, it's a box wrench that's designed to remove the lens from a GoPro Hero 5 or 6 series camera. We got tired of tearing our hands up and smudging and getting fingerprints all over the lens of our camera every time we wanted to switch from the normal semi-waterproof mode of operation to the super suit. So we made this tool to make the job easier. Simply place it over the lens and use the significantly improved leverage to remove the lens. This little gadget will work on GoPro Hero 5 or 6 cameras and is particularly useful for when you've had the camera in the semi-waterproof mode for a long time and the lens is really stuck on and not easy to remove by hand when you need to put it in the super suit. This product is available on our website, SweeneyEngineeringLLC.com, and on Amazon. Thanks for watching.